Whoa. Oh, child abduction. Shut the fuck up.
A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Minnesota, at 4:24 p.m. on March 17th, 2022, effective until 5:24 p.m. This is a coordinated Minnesota Amber Alert.
Holy shit, it's going over to
This is a child
106.9.
abduction alert. We interrupt this program to bring you this time-sensitive message.
Yeah, I'm gonna set the phone right here.
County Sheriff's Office is searching for a missing or abducted 2-year-old male named Robert William Ramirez. Robert is an Hispanic boy about 3 feet 0 inches tall, weighs 28 pounds, with brown eyes and brown hair. He was last seen wearing a long-sleeve red t-shirt and black sweat pants with green stripes, and was last seen in Westport. There is no known abductor or vehicle information at this time. If you have any information regarding this missing child, call the Cook County Sheriff's Office at 320-634-5411 or 911.
Yes, got it.